हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू साइंस क्लासेस। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको लीगल फ्रेजेज ऑफ स्टेनोग्राफी legal phrases start. This is legally in the case of an adult offender, probation is the suspension of sentence during a period of freedom on condition of good behavior full stop। मैं इंग्लिश डाउन करता हूं दोस्तों। लीगली in the case of an adult offender, probation is the suspension of sentence during a period of freedom on condition of good behavior full stop। देखिएगा फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज लीगली इन द केस ऑफ an adult offender, probation is the suspension of sentence during a period of freedom of conditions of good behavior। next दोस्तों, I am sharing you can note it down। next, नेक्स्ट वाला दोस्तों, मैं पहले इंग्लिश डाउन करता हूं आपको। इन द केस ऑफ ए डेलिंक्वेंट child, the juvenile court uses probation as a form of case disposition disposition which allow the child which allow the child which allow the child to live at liberty, to live at liberty. मैं इसको डाउन करता हूं दोस्तों. In the case of a delinquent child, the juvenile court uses probation as a forum of case disposition which allow the child to live at liberty. नोट डाउन करिएगा दोस्तों. इन द केस ऑफ ए डेलिंक्वेंट चाइल्ड, a juvenile court use probation as a form of case disposition which allow a child to live at liberty. Next दोस्तों, you note down please. This one, in his own home, or in the custody or in the or in the custody of a suitable person be it a relative a friend of a family, or a foster FOSTER home under supervision of an agent of the court. अभी डाउन कर रहा हूं मैं दोस्तों. in his own home or in the custody of a suitable person, be it a relative, a friend of a family or a foster home under supervision of an agent of the court. Full stop दोस्तों. You can note down दोस्तों, this is in his own home or in the custody of a suitable person of a suitable person, be it a relative, a friend of family, or a foster home, in provision of an agent of the court. इसको पूरा कर रहा हूँ दोस्तों, नोट इट डाउन प्लीज. दिस इज दैट. नेक्स्ट है दोस्तों, एंड अपॉन सच conditions as the court determines as the court determines, full stop. And upon such conditions as the court determine, this one, full stop. Next. Socially probation is a form of treatment administered by probation officers on a casework basis. This is socially probation is a form of treatment administered by probation officers on a case work basis. Full stop दोस्तों. This is socially probation is a form of treatment administered by probation officers on a case work basis. Note down दोस्तों. This is next point. The probation officer must investigate all offenders and must keep himself informed informed concerning their conduct and condition. देखिएगा दोस्तों, द प्रोबेशन ऑफिसर मस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेट ऑल ऑफेंडर्स and must keep himself informed concerning their conduct and condition. This one, full stop दोस्तों. You can note down, the probation officer must investigate all offenders and must keep himself informed concerning their conduct and conditions. तो थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच. यदि मेरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो आप मुझे शेयर करिएगा, आप मुझे फॉलो अप करिएगा और मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भी आप फॉलो कर सकते हो. थैंक यू दोस्तों.